Okay, today I arrive RAM and the DC Noctua NH-U9B. Now we can proceed to unpack. Is a shoebox. Side one and another one. Here we have the core of the DC with one fan, and then you can see here you can open it from here and here. Now it's not open because I need to come to back. Okay, open another box. Inside the box you can find Intel set, another fan, AMD set, manual. This is very great tool. Okay. And okay, the tool for the processor and some cave and bolts. Okay. I have two kit for Intel set and for AMD set, because this it's you can build on two kind of processor, Intel and AMD. It's I showed this because it's very silent and it's very performance. Now when I build it, I continue with another video. Bye.